Welcome to Smart Record All-in-One, and I'm Saraman. Today I'm going to tell you about a new scratch card from Tej friends, means Google Pay, whereby that you can earn a scratch card and up to you can earn 300 rupees cashback friends. And how to earn that I'll be telling in this video detailedly friends. You don't miss this video friends. Before starting this video friends, if you like this video, please give me a like button and subscribe to our channel SR All-in-One friends, and click on bell button to get latest updates and offers friends. See friends, first update your Google Pay app friends. After that friends, just you open in offer, you go to offer section, and if you observe see friends here, start investing on Zerodha with Google Pay friends. This app is based on only for new user friends in Zerodha friends. If you are old user in Zerodha friends, then you are not eligible friends. And what is Zerodha friends? It is a share market friends who are interested in that, even they can invest friends with the new mail ID friends. I'll be showing friends a detail friends. At least it should be invested 300 rupees friends. Then you are getting an scratch card friends. Only one scratch card in an offer period friends. This scratch card will be this offer will be expired before 23rd January friends. And in scratch card we are getting 50 to 300 rupees friends. If you observe friends, in first point, open new account in Zerodha friends. Existing clients of Zerodha are not eligible for this offer friends. If you are the old client friends, then you are not eligible for this offer friends. If you are new friends for Zerodha, then you can friends with the mail ID of this only friends. They have provided friends for me. They have provided my Google Pay user UPI ID friends. With the help of that, I should transfer 300 friends. Then I'll be getting one a scratch card friends. With the help of that, in that scratch card I'll be getting 50 rupees to 30 rupees friends. But surely you will be getting 50 rupees friends. Up to 30 will be getting friends. See friends, after that this offer is only till 23rd January 2019 friends. Means hope you all like this video friends. If you like this video, please drop a like button friends and subscribe to our channel SR All-in-One friends. But don't forget to click on bell button friends. Thank you friends, and Jai Hind.